Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Mr. Cooper mortgage account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type mrcooper.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Mr. Cooper. What you want to do is simply click on the sign in button right here that's highlighted at the top right of the screen. Simply click on it. Now it will redirect you to a new page that is sign in to your Mr. Cooper account. Just enter your username and password. In case you're having issues remembering either your username or password, here are the buttons right here. Simply click on them and again regain access to your account. Once everything's okay, simply hit on the sign in button right here and you will be redirected to your Mr. Cooper account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to Mr. Cooper. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.